Recycled sculptures, cactus and owl. In this video, you will see different ways to creatively troubleshoot when a project isn't working out the way you had intended. I thought it was important to share. Art can be frustrating when it doesn't quite work out, but it's important to think outside the box when you are working on your projects. First, the cactus. I started with a recycled pasta box and a toilet paper tube. I opened it up and I got some drawing tools. I used my tube to trace shapes like so. These are going to be the little bits of your cactus that we're going to put together. Then we're going to cut those out. All right. Once you have cut out all your little cactus arms, then we're going to color them. You can use markers or colored pencils or both or crayons. I used greens and I have a black marker too that I also put those little lines to make it look spiky. That's that implied texture. So we're going to get those going. I did realize that in order to do this, the best way is to find cardboard rather than the thin cardboard of the pasta box. And also, now we're going to get our paper towel, our toilet paper roll, and we're going to color that as well. I thought it was a little long, so I decided to cut it just like so. All right, so I turned those over. I thought I'd just try to color them green. Since it is a sculpture and it's 3D, you can see it from all angles. Then I decided to bend it because what I want to do is cut a slit from one part to the center. See, just like so. Those are going to go onto the toilet paper roll. Okay, and then you're going to do that with all of them and kind of connect them together. This is kind of where I had some trouble. They weren't really staying, so I tried tape. That didn't really work, so then I decided to staple them together, and that worked better. So I tried that, and still wasn't 100%, but if I folded out the little bits, then it helped stay. Then I thought of another idea. If I take a long piece of our recycled paper and fold it, that makes it more strong. I also glued it in the middle. Okay, so you open it up, you glue it, fold it together, then cut. That was the best way I found. Ta-da! I also rolled some scrap paper to make it look like flowers. Now, on to our owl. You will need a toilet paper roll, some drawing tools, and maybe some scrap paper too. First, we're going to take the top and we're going to fold in one side and turn it over and do the same on the other side. That's going to give your owl his ears. Then we're going to draw circle shapes, 2 of them for the eyes. A straight horizontal line and 2 diagonals to create the beak, and smaller circles inside the bigger circles for those eyeballs. Then we're going to color our bird, moving up and down, kind of making that little feathery texture. With our marker, I wanted to use 2 colors, so I gave my bird a little yellow belly. And then I thought maybe he could have wings so it looks like he's flying. So I just kind of freehand some curved lines and some zigzag lines, cut it out. And I was looking, and like I said, you don't have to cut on the lines, it's a guide. I'm looking. Kind of looks like a bat, so I decided I wanted his little wings to be on the side of his body, like he's just kind of perched. So I'm going to glue those down, like so. He's so cute. Alright, that's it. He's easy. That was a simple sculpture. Or you could also use another toilet paper roll if you don't have scrap for wings. Thanks for watching.